Introduction. Rohit's parents have shifted from Mumbai to Delhi. Rohit has joined a new school in Delhi. Today is his first day at the school. His teacher asks him to introduce himself to the class. Rohit tells the class about himself, his family, and his friends. In this lesson, you will learn to introduce yourself to others. Myself.
Hi, I am Rohit. I am a boy. I am 7 years old. I was born on 22nd June.
My family.
I live in Delhi with my parents and grandparents. My father is a civil engineer. He constructs buildings, bridges, etc. My mother is a manager at a bank. My grandfather is a doctor. He treats patients. My grandmother is a teacher in a school.
My morning routine.
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth and bathe. I wear my school uniform. I eat my breakfast. I go to the bus stop at 7 o'clock to catch the school bus to school.
My school.
I study in class 2. I love and obey all my teachers. I study English, Hindi, Maths and Science at school. Maths is my favorite subject. I love doing sums.
My friends.
I have many friends. Ravish and Sanya are my best friends. I never fight with my friends. I play many games with my friends, like hide and seek, cricket, badminton, etc. Cricket is my favorite game.
My evening routine.
I return home from school at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I change into casual wear. I eat my lunch, I rest for a while, I get up and complete my homework. In the evening, I go out to play with my friends. Then I cycle for half an hour. I return home and study for a while. I have dinner with my family. Then I watch cartoon for some time and go to bed at 9:30 p.m.
Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. We introduce ourselves by telling our names. When we meet new people, we also tell them about our families. When we talk to our friends, we discuss our daily routine and favorite games.